Amazing smoothie to lose weight and gain muscle. Losing weight is a regular strict diet that you should follow with hungry stomach to lose excess weight, but due to lack of proteins and minerals unlikely, many health disorders seems as side effects with these diets. For those who wish to lose weight without being hungry all the time and build muscle more easily, this avocado smoothie helps you better. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, healthy fats and fiber. To follow this vitamins full natural health diet, all you need are 1 avocado, bunch of spinach leaves, 1 pineapple and 1 cup of water. Avocado benefits. Avocados contains 80 calories per 50 grams serving. When used instead of other fats, avocados can be part of a calorie-reduced diet. Avocados make a great nutrient-boosting breakfast item and also make a great post-workout snack. Avocados contribute good unsaturated fat and are a good source of fiber. Avocados are sugar-free. Moreover, they have the least amount of sugar per serving than any other fresh fruits. Moreover, 75% of the fat in an avocado is unsaturated fat, making them a great substitute for foods high in saturated fat. Preparation. Peel the avocado and add to the blender along with the leafy greens, few pineapple slices and water. Blend well at least 2 to 3 minutes until it is smooth and lump-free. Now, the amazing avocado smoothie is ready. Fruits added for natural sweetness to the avocado smoothie. You can sweeten it a little more. When should drink? In the morning as breakfast without any other food. Before and after 30 minutes of workout to build muscle mass. Drink this smoothie daily for a month to really notice its amazing benefits. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.